Sound check.
Hello everyone. Vocal practice, we all know we need to do it, but for many of us the thought of practicing singing is akin to boredom of the highest order. It just seems also dreary and tedious. I think for many of us this inner sense of dread comes from our childhood, when music practice, whether it be on piano, violin or some other instrument, was somehow set up as a chore. Something you had to do before you'd be allowed to do that other stuff you really wanted to do. Understandably, we then bring that sense of obligation into our singing practice as adults, and it's often accompanied by an unhealthy serving of self-inspired guilt when we don't fulfill the instrumental requirement of our childhood years to practice every day for hours on end. The good news is it doesn't need to be that hard, and you don't need to practice every day either. If you're just starting out with your singing, aim to practice every second day for about 20 minutes, and then over the coming weeks, aim to increase the time by 5 minutes every week until you're practicing for about an hour or so. And if you miss a practice, don't beat yourself up over it. Remember, learning to sing is about the journey and the momentum we gather over time. Not every single practice session in isolation to the next one. Learn to enjoy your practice and you'll get far more out of your voice. I'm Dr. Dan. Sing well.